how to restate the question in your answers. Hey kids, welcome to McMillans On The Go Academy. I'm Ms. K, and today we're going to learn a super cool trick to help you with answering questions. Are you ready? Let's get started. Do you ever get questions on your homework like, what is your favorite animal? And you're not sure how to start your answer? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how you can restate the question in your answer. It's easy and fun. Step 1. Understand the question. First, let's understand what the question is asking. Let's take an example question. What is your favorite animal? Think about what the question means. This question wants to know which animal you like the most. Step 2. Restate the question. Now, to restate the question in your answer, you use some of the words from the question to start your answer. So, if the question is, what is your favorite animal? You can begin by saying, my favorite animal is... See? You just used the words from the question to start your answer. That's how you restate a question. Step 3, give your answer. Now you finish your sentence with your answer. Let's pick an animal. How about we say dog? So, the full answer would be, my favorite animal is a dog. Pretty easy, right? My favorite animal is a dog. You restated the question and gave your answer. Practice time. Okay, let's practice a bit more. Here's another question. What is your favorite color? How should we start our answer? That's right. You can start with, my favorite color is... Now, tell me your favorite color. Great. So, if your favorite color is blue, your answer would be, my favorite color is blue. Easy peasy. So remember, when you answer questions, just restate the question first. It's like repeating part of the question to make sure you start your answer right. Let's keep it simple. Repeat part of the question, then give your answer. You guys did amazing. Don't forget to practice this trick and you'll be a question-answering superstar in no time. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more awesome videos. See you next time. Bye!